So today we're going to look at welding plastic hoods. As you can see, this hood's in pretty rough shape. It's got a couple holes in it. It's also got some spots I've already welded here. See, they're pretty solid actually. When you weld a crack like this, it actually surprisingly solid. And in a minute I'll show you how I do it. First, let's survey the damage I'm going to have to repair. This is just what happens to an old plastic hood. Anytime a piece of plastic gets old and is out in the sun a lot, it gets brittle and it just breaks to bits. That's why I like fiberglass hoods. But what I was using is this old soldering iron here, kind of a little bit beat up, but it heats up pretty well. And when it heats up and melts that plastic, it does a good job. So I'm going to get right to it right now and show you. So I know you guys probably can't see this, but I'm actually standing inside the engine bay right now to get at this area really well. And this bend in here is so that I can have this end right here stick out further so I can go around into little curved areas and stuff. I'll demonstrate that later if there's a spot I need to weld that's curved. So I'm going to start at the center of this hole right here where it branches off into 3 different cracks. And what I usually do is just set it there, sort of liquefy right on top of the crack. Liquefy in line with the crack, you know, until it's pretty well liquefied. And then I go out to the side and start pulling plastic in to make it thicker. And by no means am I the best at this type of welding. My plastic welding skills are pretty sloppy, you might say, but it's something I'm currently learning how to do. And just a quick disclaimer, while you're doing this job, you probably want to be wearing a mask so you don't get all this plastic up your nose, but right now it's actually very windy, which you can probably tell. And the smoke is blowing away before I get a chance to breathe it, so. But I would advise you to wear a mask while doing this. So like I said, I'm not the best at this or anything, but it's a solid repair and something you can do. All you need is soldering iron or a wood burning kit, something that gets hot enough to melt your plastic is all you need. And if you have the proper kind of plastic, which I don't really have for this, but if you have the proper kind of plastic and you have a bad hole, you can actually use the plastic to fill the hole in by melting it and just filling the hole. I don't have any of the right stuff to melt into this. You have to have the, well, I assume you have to have the same kind of plastic as the hood is made out of, but maybe you don't, I don't know. Anyway, that's all for this. Just showing you guys how to do this. Hope it helps. And If you're interested in seeing more videos on how to repair snowmobiles, motorcycles, lawnmowers, even bicycles, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get alerted whenever I do an upload. You know, I think right now would be a good time to reflect upon the intelligence of the people back in the good old days. I mean, fiberglass, see? Real honest to goodness fiberglass. It ain't gonna sit out in the sun and then crack and then get so flimsy that anytime you hit a bump, it shatters. Yes, sir. Who decided to use plastic in the first place? I mean, it ain't so good when you roll the machine. You know, that's not good for the fiberglass, but it doesn't just crack to pieces just because it gets old and flimsy. Yes, sir. Why are you still here? Why are you still watching this? Go away.